Hello and welcome to this Hikvision video tutorial. In today's video, we will be learning how to utilize the Hik-Connect mobile application with your compatible Hikvision devices. In order to set up Hik-Connect, you will need the following. 1. A device that is compatible with the Hik-Connect service. 2. A network connection going to that device. 3. A mobile phone to install the application on. Modern Hikvision devices should all be compatible with the Hik-Connect services. Devices older than 5 years may either be incompatible or may need a firmware update in order to reach compatibility. If you find your device is missing the necessary options to follow along in this tutorial, please reach out to our technical support team to determine the status of your device. In order for the remote connection to work, your device will need to be able to access a network. This will typically be through a wired connection into your router, but certain devices will be able to do this wirelessly. The Hik-Connect app is available for both Android and iPhone devices. Hik-Connect can be found for both devices in their respective app stores. Just type Hik-Connect into your search bar. Look for Hik-Connect for end user, then click Install. Our next step will be to create a Hik-Connect account. This is a very important step as creating an account will be what allows you to share the device to other users. Guest accounts will not be able to do this. Here, make absolutely sure that you select your correct region. By default, you can register with your email address here, or if you prefer, you may register with your mobile phone number. However, we highly recommend that you register with an email address instead to avoid situations where you may no longer have access to that number. Now you will receive a security code in either your email or your phone number, depending on which one you registered with, and entering that code will finish up your registration. You can also register for a Hik-Connect account online at our website, www.hikconnect.com. The process here will be very similar. Once here, click the Register Now icon, enter your region, then your username. Unlike registering on the mobile app, registering online will allow you to enter a custom username. Then enter your password and an email address that you have access to, and enter the CAPTCHA code and hit Next. Now you just need to enter the security code that was emailed to you, click OK, and you'll be finished with registration. Next, we will be looking at the local interface. If you are working with your local menu via an HDMI or VGA cable connected to your recorder, you'll just need to log in. Go to your system configuration menu by clicking on the gear icon, go to Network, then Platform Access. If your menu looks different than what you see on screen, you may be using a different firmware version. In general, your steps will be the same. Here are some examples of locating platform access in different local interfaces. Look for System or Configuration, Network, then Platform Access. More modern firmware versions will separate the Hik-Connect tab from the Platform Access tab. If you cannot find Platform Access, just look for Hik-Connect instead. Once you are on the correct screen, ensure that type is set for Hik-Connect, then check the box to enable the service. Agree to the terms, click OK, then Apply. If everything went well, your connection status should now say Online. If the device does not come online, please ensure that it is connected to your network and not being blocked by any network security measures. If you are instead working with your computer, then using the SADP tool we can find the device's IP address and then log into the device. If you do not currently have the SADP tool installed, please navigate to our website at us.hikvision.com. Hover over Support. Click on Tools. Scroll down, click View All the Tools. Click on SADP. Then click Download. Once downloaded, just double-click the file and let it install. Next, run the SADP tool as administrator to ensure full functionality. Once logged in, simply go to Configuration, Network, Advanced, Platform Access, and change the platform access mode to Hik-Connect, then check the box to enable. Then, if prompted, create your verification code. Think of the verification code as a secondary password used only for Hik-Connect. It may also be called an encryption key. Hit save, and if all went well, the device should now say register status, online. If the device does not come online, please ensure that it is connected to your network and not being blocked by any network security measures. For the final step, you will need the serial number of your device. If you need to find your device's serial number, it can generally be found in your recorder's System Information tab, or you can check the sticker that is physically on the device itself. If the serial number appears to be too long, you only need the characters after the R and before the W. We are now ready to finish up and add our device to our Hik-Connect account. You can do this next step one of two ways. The first is by tapping Add Device. We can choose the option to scan the QR code, and the app will bring up our phone's camera screen. Here, we simply point it at the QR code shown in our Platform Access menu and let it scan. If you do not have the QR code, simply tap Add Device, then tap Add Device manually, enter the serial number of your device, then hit the floppy disk icon at the top right of your screen to save. Both methods will now require the device's verification code, which can again be found in Platform Access. Enter this code, hit OK, then tap Add, Next, and your device should now be added to your Hik-Connect account. You can also add the device on our website at www.hikconnect.com. Simply log into your account, stay in Device Management, click Add. Then enter your device's serial number, hit Search, hit the plus sign, then enter your verification code and click Add. If everything was set up correctly, your device will now be added to your account. This concludes our tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel so that you can be alerted when future tutorials are uploaded. If there is anything else you'd like to see a video created for, please leave a comment letting us know. Your feedback is valuable to us.